Happy New Year. Welcome to story time. Last week, Miss Haley went outside and played in the snow, and this week we're going to stay inside and be warm and cozy. So we're going to start off with our hello song. Clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. Good job. Next, we're going to do the Itsy Bitsy Spider, so get your spiders ready. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Good job. Next, I have a new rhyme, and it's called Chilly Day. And I'm going to have my little teddy bear help me. When the day is chilly and I don't know what to do, my mama gives me a sweater. I put it on and say thank you. But I'm still chilly from the snowy winter storm. Mama puts a blanket over me, but I'm still not quite warm. So when I'm still chilly, I know just what to do. I say, Mama, please, could I have cuddles with you? Our first book today is called Snow Day, and it was written by Lester Lemonak, and the illustrations are by Adam Gustafson, and it is read with the permission of Peachtree Publishing. Snow Day. Did you hear that? Did the weatherman just say what I thought he did? Did he say snow? Oh, please let it snow. Lots and lots of snow. Look at the sky. I can feel it in the air. We're getting snow tonight for sure. Just imagine, so much snow. Even the buses can't go. No, so much snow, even the teachers can't go. Yes, a snow day. You know what that means. No alarm clocks ringing, no one saying, time to get up, no one shouting, hurry or you'll be late. No school. I can't wait. Tomorrow we'll have a PJ day. We'll pile on the sofa and snuggle under that old blue blanket. We'll sip hot chocolate from giant snowman mugs. We'll stay inside, warm and cozy, while the snow drifts down in soft white heaps. Look out the window. It's spitting snow. I hope it snows a foot deep. I hope the snow piles up to the top of the steps. I hope it snows so much that we can't even open the door. No school for sure. I need a snow day. A day to play outside, a day to read my new book, a day to watch TV. Did you hear that? The weatherman said it's getting colder. Maybe we'll get 2 snow days. We've got to get ready. Where are those fuzzy mittens? What about the snow boots? We can build a snow fort down by the walk. This time, let's make it 4 feet tall and stack up a zillion snowballs inside. Whoa, look at that sky. Snow is falling like a bazillion goose feathers. Yippee! Wonderful, amazing. We can't go snow. Where'd we put the sleds? Come on, help me bring them up. We'll go sledding in Mrs. Cope's field. The sleds will shoot down that hill. I know, we should go to bed. Tomorrow's a big snow day. Good night, everyone. Sleep tight, everyone. We're building a snowman tomorrow. Say, what's that noise? Is it morning already? Do I hear kids on the street? We've got to get out there and build our fort. Open the curtains, see what's going on. Look at all those kids bundled in coats and hats and mittens and boots and book bags. What happened to all that snow? Yikes! We have to hurry. There's no time to waste. Brush your teeth, wash your face, comb your hair, throw on your clothes. We've got to go. Wait, I forgot my books. Wait, where are the keys? Zoom, zip, scoot, pile in the car. I can't be late. I'm the teacher. Drat, I really needed a snow day. The end. Okay, I have a flannel board and it's called Colorful Mittens. And I have some red mittens and some blue mittens and some yellow mittens and some green mittens. And the song is to the tune of Six Little Ducks. So it goes, colorful mittens for me and you, red ones, yellow ones, blue ones too, but the one pair of mittens that rhymes with fellow, they're my favorite mittens, they're the color yellow. Colorful mittens for me and you, red ones, yellow ones, blue ones too, but the one pair of mittens that rhymes with bed, they're my favorite mittens, they're the color red. Colorful mittens for me and you, red ones, yellow ones, blue ones too, but the one pair of mittens that rhymes with shoe, they're my favorite mittens, they're the color blue. Colorful mittens for me and you, red ones, yellow ones, blue ones too, but the one pair of mittens that rhymes with green, they're my favorite mittens, they're the color green. Green is my favorite color. Next, we have another rhyme, and it's called Fuzzy Blanket. I have a fuzzy blanket to snuggle in at night. I wrap it all around me, and I pull it warm and tight. Do you guys have fuzzy blankets that you like to cuddle up in? Our next book is called William's Winter Nap, and it was written by Linda Ashman, and the pictures are by Chuck Groening. And it is read with the permission of Disney Hyperion. William's Winter Nap. In a house on a hill that's tall and steep, there's a boy named William who's ready to sleep. He drinks his cocoa, climbs in bed, fluffs his pillow beneath his head, then burrows down for a nice long nap, but wakes to the sound of tap, tap, tap. Excuse me, but I've lost my way. I'm cold and tired. May I please stay? Will says, yes, I'll scooch a bit. There's room for two. I'm sure we'll fit. The two climb in and curl up tight. They yawn and say, good night, good night. It's quiet, just the clock's tick-tock. But wait, what's that? A knock, knock, knock. Oh, what a lovely, cozy place. Could you spare a smidge of space? Will says, yes, we'll scooch a bit. There's room for three. I'm sure we'll fit. The three climb in and curl up tight. They yawn and say, good night, good night. It's peaceful in the sleepy room until, that is, the boom, boom, boom. My toes are numb, my tail is too. Okay if I come in with you? Will says, yes, we'll scooch a bit. There's room for four. I'm sure we'll fit. The four climb in and curl up tight. They yawn and say, good night, good night. Ping, ping, ping. Could that be rain? No, pebbles on the window pane. May I come in? I need some rest. I promise I'm the perfect guest. Will says, we'll scooch a bit. There's room for five. I'm sure we'll fit. The five climb in and curl up tight. They yawn and say, good night, good night. The sound of snoring soft and low. Then crunch! Some footsteps in the snow. A note is slipped beneath the door. Do you have room for just one more? I'd rather not. Too squished. No space. There's got to be some other place. We don't have room. Too hard to fit. No way. We can't consider it. Will says, If it's someone small, it might not be so hard at all. He tugs the door to see who's there. Uh-oh, oh my, what now? A bear! I saw your light on through the trees. I'm lonely. May I join you, please? Bear shivers in the falling snow. I see. No room. That's fine. I'll go. It's awfully cold. The snow, the ice. He'd keep us warm. He seemed quite nice. They all say, wait, we'll scooch a bit. There's room for 6. Somehow we'll fit. The 6 climb in and curl up tight. They yawn and say, good night, good night. Sweet dreams, my friend, says Will. Sleep tight. I'll see you in the warm spring light. The end. Next we have another flannel board, and it's called Quilts Galore. And I have some little animals. I have a bunny rabbit and a raccoon, a fox, a bear, and an owl. And the poem goes like this. 5 colorful quilts with patterns galore. 1 covers rabbit, and then there are 4. 4 colorful quilts as snugly as can be. 1 covers raccoon, and then there are 3. 3 colorful quilts with dots of red and blue. 1 covers fox, and then there were 2. 2 colorful quilts made just for fun. 1 covers bear, and now there is 1. 1 colorful quilt left out in the sun. It covers owl, and now there are none. And usually at story time, then we play a little game and try to guess which animals are beneath the quilts. Do you remember which one's beneath this one? Was it the bunny rabbit or the owl? It's the raccoon. How about this one? Do you remember who's under it? The bunny rabbit, the bear? It's the fox. We have one more book, and it's called Winter is the Warmest Season. And it was written by Lori Stringer, and it is read with the permission of Harcourt Incorporated. Winter is the warmest season. Winter is the warmest season. Most people think it's summer with its long steamy days, but not me. My world is warmest in the winter. When winter comes, my jacket puffs warm with feathers. My hat grows ear flaps. My pants hide deep in fuzzy boots, and my hands wear warm woolly sweaters. When winter comes, summer's plants and animals sleep deep under thick blankets of snow, while the snowmen I build dance on top, wearing warm wraparound scarves. When winter comes, my iced summer's milk turns to hot chocolate. Cold jelly sandwiches turn into grilled cheeses. Hot soups, hot pies, and oven-hot breads make winter the warmest for the inside of me. When winter comes, summer's cool fans hide in dark basements, while sleeping radiators wake to their dragon selves, banging and hissing and pouring heat all through my house. When winter comes, cats sit on laps instead of windowsills. Even nights are warmer in winter. Fires burn in fireplaces, candles burn in candle places. I think parties are warmer in winter. And when summer's cool swims turn into winter's hot baths, I know my pajamas will grow big warm feet. My bed is warmest in winter, piled high with blankets of plaid, blankets striped yellow, and a blue starry quilt on top. In winter, bodies sit closer, books last longer, and hugs squeeze the warmest. Even friends are warmer. And in winter, when it's the very warmest and I close my sleepy eyes, I might dream of summer just to cool me off. The end. I have another song, and it's to the tune of Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes, and I'm not very good at this one, so everybody help me out, okay? It starts out, hat, mittens, coats, and boots, coats and boots, hats, mittens, coats, and boots, coats and boots, scarves, and snow pants, warm socks too, hat, mittens, coats and boots, coats and boots. Let's try it one more time really fast, okay? Hats, mittens, coats and boots, coats and boots, hats, mittens, coats and boots, coats and boots, scarves and snow pants, warm socks too, hats, mittens, coats and boots, coats and boots. Okay, our last little story is about hot chocolate, and I'm going to have my little friend here help me again. And you can do this with your kids sitting on your lap, or if you have older kids, they can do it with their teddy bears too. So it's called Hot Chocolate, and it's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay. Pour some milk into a pot, stir it till it's nice and hot. See the chocolate, give a squeeze. Add the marshmallows if you please. Wrap yourself up nice and warm, nice and snug. Drink hot chocolate from a mug. And that brings us to our craft this week. It's a mug of hot chocolate. And in the kit, you get a picture like this, and you can decorate it however you want to. You can color it in. Don't forget to color the hot chocolate at the top. And then the kit comes with some stickers and a cotton ball for the whipped cream and some little balls for the marshmallows. And then you can hang it on your refrigerator to remind you when you come in from the snowy days to have some hot chocolate. And the last thing we have is our goodbye song, and it goes like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Join us next Thursday for story time with Miss Sharon.